Welcome to this channel whereby I'm going to help you in the derivation of equation of a circle, and I'm going to help with some questions that can help you so that you have the full content of the circle and you can tackle. Now, for example, the equation of a circle is always given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to radius squared. So for example, this is our circle and we have our radius. Let the coordinates of the center be a comma b, and let the point on the circle, a point on the circle from the radius from the center to be x comma y. Then the equation of the circle is always given by the Pythagoras theorem relationships of finding the length of the radius, and this is the radius. The radius is any point from the center to any point on the circumference. Now let that point on the circumference to be x comma y. Now in the Pythagoras relationship we always have base squared plus height squared. Height squared is equivalent to hypotenuse squared. Now for example, here at our base we have got base is here, that is base AB. Now for example is x. This is our base from here to here. Let's consider this triangle. Now our base is x minus a to get the distance of the base. Now x minus a squared, that is the base squared, plus height here to here, that is to get that distance, it is y minus b squared is equals to the radius squared, and that is how the formula comes for the equation of a circle. Now for example, we can have equation, find the equation of the centered at the point at the origin and of radius 3 centimeters. Now in this question, find the equation of the centered at the origin. Now the thing is the origin, the center is always 0, 0. Now here when you want to solve this equation, we come and say x minus 0, that is a, is represented by 0 squared, plus y minus b, that is 0 squared, is equals to the radius squared, and the radius squared is 3 centimeters. So it is x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to radius squared, that is 3 centimeters squared, that is 9 centimeters squared. So for this 0 minus x squared, that is x squared plus y squared is equals to 9. For the equation to be complete, so we have x plus y squared minus 9 is equals to 0, and that is how the answer of that question comes about. Now let us consider the last question that I'm going to solve for today, and the next question is going to be find the center and the radius of the circle whose equation is given by x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equals to 0. Now for us to solve this equation, it is our work to rearrange the equation, whereby we're going to be having x squared minus 8x Now here there is something missing. We put there a dash plus y squared plus 10y a dash, then this one will cross over the other side is equals to negative 25. When positive 25 crosses on the other side, it becomes negative 25. Now for us to get this point, an equation has three parts. That is the a part, the b part, and the c part. This is the a part, this is the b part, and this is the c part. Now for us to get the c part, we always have b over 2 squared is always given by the c. Now here we have got now x squared minus 8x, now plus the c part. The c part is b over 2 squared, that is 8 over 2 squared, that is the c, plus y squared plus 10y plus the c part of y, plus that is 10 over 2 squared is equals to negative 25, plus whatever is done on this side is also done on the other side, that is 8 over 2 squared plus 10 over 2 squared, and therefore we have this as x squared minus 8x plus 8 over 2 squared, that is 16, plus y squared plus 10y plus 10 over 2, that is 25, is equals to negative 25 plus 16 plus 25. Now we have to get the simultaneous equation for this, whereby we are going to say for this one we are going to be having x minus this one squared, this one divided by 2, it gives you 4 squared, plus y plus 10b, we divide b by 2, that is plus 5 squared, is equals to, this one cancels this, so it will be 16. Now, and our equation of a circle is always given by this one squared plus y minus b squared is equals to radius squared. For example, here now, according to the equation, we can get the radius squared is equals to 16. So the radius is equals to the square root of 16. That is, now the radius is 4 units. Now a, our center a, negative a times negative 4 will give you positive 4. B, negative b times positive 5 will give you negative 5. Now our center is 4, negative 5, and now the radius is 4 units. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it has helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. May you subscribe at the end. Thank you so much.